So today now we start write code today. So today we talk about command prompt. I don't explain them for last class. I don't explain say now that they use that year before operating system come to communicate with computer. But even at that, even as it day now, even as operating system day, the thing still day to communicate. So as a developer, you need to know them because so instead of using mouse and keyboard to do one or two things, it's better to use your command prompt, and it will give you access to some things for your computer when normal clicking go dey very far to reach. So let's get started. I think I'm going to switch my screen now to my screen. This video go off. I'm going to pause it now so we can start writing code. Okay, so I still there here. I mean, I know if you are still there. Okay, so first of all, on your system, if you are using Windows, I go dey talk because now Windows are they use. But if you dey use Mac, indicate for comment section. My what they call them? My moderators go tell you go tell you, or they will let me know say na Mac you dey use. Then I go feel they give you Mac command. So on your keyboard first, you need to type your Windows key, or you go this your start menu. See this start menu here. See the start menu here. So you feel click am, or you feel press your window key for your keyboard. Your window key for your keyboard now that's one way they beside control key. Let me show you. Mark this camera and show you. Oh, I know if it's with the camera, I'm going to just continue, Jerry. So just click here, then type CMD. CMD. See what you want to open here. Command prompt. If you they use Mac the same way, press your what is that they call them? Press your command and space, then type terminal. If now Mac you they use, just type terminal like this. You see now the same thing even for Windows, it go still come out. So type terminal for Mac. Then for Windows type CMD. Even for Mac, if you type CMD, now still terminal go still come out. It go still work. So make I open my own. This is my own. When I see you supposed to get something like this. Make I increase. This thing don't cover my screen. Oh. Okay, I want to make this thing very big. Okay, so the video is on YouTube for future. Okay, thank you, Samson. Okay, so let's move on. Hopefully we don't get unclear to this point, right? We get unclear to this point. Everybody don't open this command prompt, Abi. Run them as normal, not as an admin. Now the same thing, but no, not be the same thing, but run them as normal. So I said the great FX. You said this, you say it blur. It blurs in your network. Oh. Even at the monitor and for my phone, you know blur. Another bad favor. You say you are lost. You just they come. You can't be lost now. I said that we should open this command prompt. How do you open it? Click your start menu here. Click the start menu and type CMD. Okay, I should zoom it more. Okay. It don't big rich, Abi. Hope it's big enough now. Okay, so the first thing I want to explain to you here, now make una monitor this place. See this place where I underline, where they highlight. So for your own, you go see C users. Then this place go be your own system name. Some of una will be say maybe when you buy on a system, they no give a name. It go be either HP. If not HP, you buy, or if not Dell or something. In fact, your own fee be user/user self. My own na sank because that's the name I used. Some of you, it will even be your name which they use for the registration. So all of us, you have the same thing to this point. Then here go change. Now, if I get something where I feel use the explain mark for my system, if I get git bash, I think so. If they almost want resemble mark one kind, make I put on here. Make I put on side by side. This one go almost want replicate for the way mark own be. Make am be too. So I just want to use on this one. They represent mark people. I'm sure you go mark people now. Go see say una almost look like this, Abi. This one are for Windows people. So more would they all right. Your own are user Yerima Taraba TV. Yes, it did normal. It's okay. Okay now. So what I want to tell you now be say this place now. This is a folder inside your system. This is another folder inside your system. This is another folder, and I go show you for your keyboard. Or wait, before your keyboard, if your system get this, what did they call this thing for here? This file explorer for here. Click am. If your own no get, see my own don't come out. If your own no get, press your window key for your keyboard and E. Window click plus E. Go still open am. You see as you open am, window key and E together go open am. You understand? So open this, open them from here, File Explorer, open them like this. It's supposed to come like this. It get what I want to use and show now. So if you don't open them, I want to show you, say, what they here. So for this command prompt, now your system, now the same thing I in there for, I want to show you where it is for your system. Now, my own, if I scroll up, I go see this Windows C, my computer, see Windows C under this PC. You see, if I click that Windows C now, this Windows C so where they here like this, where as I click this thing open like this. Now in be this so. Now in be this so. This Windows C so now in be this. Now, the next thing they can say users. If I scroll up, I go see that users folder. See for here. You remember say I talk say na folder for system. If I see I go click am. Inside that folder, you go see this sank too inside. This sank, you see now this sank be this. If I click the sank don't open. Now you go see say we did the same place. How you take the very short say we did the same place. Look on top of this place for your file explorer. If you click you go see that same thing where they here so. You go see for here. Now it still be this so. Hope say you dey see abi? The same thing where they here, now it still dey here. Man, look comment. Maybe anybody they ask any question. Okay, if you dey use phone, that means no watch am for portrait. Oh, you go need to watch am for landscape. Shedrack Ogiemoko, where you lost? Oh, yeah, tell me where you lost. Where you lost? No, you don't need to change the name of Oga Sabinos. Man, I don't make me laugh, I beg. Sabinos, they class. Now, no, keep me for this class. Okay, Oga Sabinos, you don't need to change the name. No be to change the name, we won't tell you, no. Just leave the system there. Maybe one day if I get time, I will show you how to change the name. That one day beyond the scope of this class. Okay, so now I don't show you say now the same place na in be this, so na in we dey for here. So the first thing wey we go learn for terminal na wetin dem dey call dir. It means directory. Make I open my notepad. Let me write another one. So the first thing na directory. This one means say show folder content. Now wetin this one go do be that e go show us, you know, just like for here, so the way this thing dey show us all the content wey dey inside that sank. If we wan see am for here, we go press dir to see all the content wey dey inside. As I type dir, so press enter. You see, e go show me everything wey dey inside my system. In fact, make am wide small so that we go fit see am. So make we compare. As I press am, we go up. I dey come o, we come like this. Look this file name. Now the file names be this. You see, say my own start from .atom. Look am here to .atom. .ava35. See am for here. Azure data. Look am for here. Bash bliss. See them for here. Make I go up. See .conda. See conda for here. Config. DB client. You dey see everything wey dey inside that sank. Na im dey show me for here. So na im make me tell una say, yes, the class is being recorded, don't worry. Now it make me tell una say that on Monday when I dey explain say command prompt na in that they use that year before them begin can do operating system. So now like this we dey use operate computer that year. But nowadays we dey use this one with the fit see things. No, that year na code like this. So don't forget dir enter go list everything wey dey inside that folder give you. Hope say we understand. So that's why I write down for here so that we'll fit see am. dir means show content. Babatunde Yusuf, you say you no see Windows C for your own. Oh, yeah, waiting dey your own now. Waiting you dey see for your own. The same thing. So if na Mac you dey now, dir suppose work, but in case e no work for Mac, type ls like this. For Mac, oh, make I even type am for this thing. For Mac, you go be your own go be whether this thing dey safe. For Mac, ls, ma put bracket Mac. So ls, it means for Mac, it means say list. So if I come here now, type ls, you see say it list everything too wey dey. You see it list everything wey dey, You see so for Mac na ls, for Windows na dir. Hope we get the point. Windows dir, for Mac it is ls. If your system is on Windows 7, that's for Abraham Bubo, it will still work. Now the same thing. Just go to your start menu and search for CMD. You go see command prompt. Click am. If na terminal your own bring command, still click am na the same thing. Coley Kingsley say, what if you don't have laptop? If you don't have laptop, there's nothing we can do now. Now laptop we dey use for the class now. Phone can't do this. So, a quick one as we dey learn they go. So there's somebody I'm very, very concerned about in this class. Let me see. Konas dey class. Where Konas dey? Okay, so make I continue, Abi. We understand this small one what we don't do, Abi. Linux now the same thing. Any command I give you for Mac will work on Linux. Linux the same thing. Search for your terminal and it go open. Now the same thing. Let me see. I think I used to have one Linux this thing here before. Okay, I don't get that for my system again. I used to have one thing I used to use for Linux. The blind say Konas no day class. Oh, Corneli from Cameroon, welcome, welcome. Okay, wait, don't reduce all the other. Men are not confused. Now the code be this. Make I just display them for Notepad. See them. For Windows na dir. For Mac na ls. See them. Yes, there's different, a little jump out. There's little difference between command prompt and PowerShell. PowerShell na the higher level of command prompt. Now the new one where they come with Windows be that, but the same code go work for all of them. Now the same thing that they do, but PowerShell go let you see deeper into some things for your computer. So if na PowerShell your own open, continue with the code, it go still work. From the command prompt, how do I get dir? No, you are not getting it. Open your command prompt and just type dir. That's all. Dir will list the content of the folder of what is inside sank. So sank direct this sank. So now this place. So now we just open. You go through. You go to your Windows C. You click users and you click the name of your system. That's all. Oscar Joe, I don't understand. How can dir be married to show content? What does it stand for? It stands for directory. For Windows those days, folder means directory. I don't know why they use it to open, but when you just type dir, it opens the directory, which is your folder. And I go advise you now, especially for this Oscar Joe. I go advise you say, it better make you make sure say you understand wetin dey work than definition. Now definition they kill by black man and make them know sabi something. So it's better you know how it work. Use it first. If it don't work, whether you now know what it stands for, use them. It just be like people wait there for street. That's why automobile engineer know they sabi repair motor, na mechanic they sabi am. Okay, so I'm moving on. Now, the next thing we want to learn now, make I reduce all this one. The next one we want to learn now this one. CD. CD stands for change directory. Lil Prado. He said he don't sacrifice in Champions League for this class. You try. Balo watife balo bolu. I know if you call her Odunlami. Okay, I see you. No wala. Yes, now King Jaden. Is it possible to use this method to locate other folder? Yes. Now there we they go. So look at CD means change directory. Let me show you how to use it. So now, you know, so we they use directory, press enter to list all the folder where we get for that place. So normally we suppose, let me expand this very well so that it's not rough. Very good. I think it makes sense more now like this. So let me press it again. The dir. So let me go and look at the beginning again, from the beginning of the dir exactly. I go see the list of everything within my system. So let's say, for example, I want enter, see desktop for here. Let's say I want enter this desktop now. What I go need to do now to just type that CD to change directory. What to CD, then I go press space, then type that desktop exactly the way the name dey. I go press enter. You see say it don't show say I don't dey inside desktop. You see the same thing like if I search that desktop for that place where I did for through what is they call for through my Windows Explorer. See where the desktop. See the desktop for here. If I click it means say we did the same place. I you tell no, check this up for here. You see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now we did that place now. Look, we did the place. I will tell no say it did equal, say we did the same place. If I press that dir to check the folder content, make I scroll up, most see the beginning of the folder content of what is inside desktop. Man, my desktop thing's long ago. See, for example, now we get Amospikins montage. Make I check inside that folder. Amospikins montage. See here. Many things. All the folders, all of them go there here. All of them go there here. Everything go there here. Everything will there here. So you see, change directory. Don't forget CD and then space the name of the folder. You understand? And make sure say the folder where you they go, they enter. They inside that place where you dey. No go enter name of folder where no they inside that sank. For example, now if you enter another folder where they inside desktop, the folder where you they go must they inside desktop. Hope say we understand. Make a write them out. Change directory. So you see, hope say we understand before I move on. Oyema Kizito, explain the C users. I've explained it now. Abi, you come late to class. I've explained it. I said that user, your own now is user/users. My own is user/sank. Because the name I used to register my system is this sank. The name you used to register your own system is users. That's why you have user/user. And I said to check where it is on your system, inside the folder. I said go to Windows C here. Then go to, when you open it, go look for users. Double click it, you will see that another users based on your own, which is my own is sank. Double click it, you are in the same place. Okay, just Chukwu Emeka, which part you don't understand? Just tell us where you, if I don't understand something, may I write where I don't understand. If my eye catch him, I go talk him, or my moderators go follow una talk. Where corners there? I never see corners. Okay, corners, I dey see your message. You say you been day class, so you come out before. The CD part, so the CD, I said CD stands for change directory. So, for example, let me go back. You know, I was here before. So I said I want to enter a folder that exists inside my sank. So I will use CD, which stands for change directory, and then write the folder name I want to enter. That folder must exist inside here. How do you know it exists? You must have used that dir to check if that folder exists. Then you press CD desktop. If your own can be any one that exists in your work, then press enter. You see, say we don't enter the thing. See, users, sank, and desktop. You see, we don't. It means I did inside desktop. So CD just they help you change directory. Now true, if I say corners don't go watch Champions League. Wahala. Oh yes, nice point, Samson. It is better you watch this live stream on your phone and then be doing the work on your laptop so that you know the switch screen if they use only laptop. You understand? Watch on your phone. Even me, I'm monitoring on my phone. Now, wow, so we don't even reach 300 today. Oh, girl. And then I want advice. Men are not they discourage you. Maybe if this thing they look hard, no worry. Even now just 2 classes we go do. This one that's today and then on Monday because the classes now Monday and Wednesday. After that one we don't come out. If we reach, it go be next month before we come back again. I just need to lay the foundation. You understand? So no fear. Make this one no discourage you. Say this thing hard. You can't come on. No. In fact, this one are like the hardest thing where we go do for this whole program. Now like the hardest part be this, so no fear. Other part easy like English. So here somebody asks, we can't backspace, right? Now that's where I'm going. If you want to go back, you use cd ... Go back. Cd ... If you are on Mac, you have to write cd space ... Don't just write ... together like this one. But for Windows, this is how it works. But for Mac, put space between the cd and the ... So if I do, watch my code, if I do cd ... it means go back. You see, Abi? English, no, it's okay. Easy like the pidgin word they speak. Osato, they said we should have a WhatsApp group for question. I'm sure my moderators will be working on that. Osato, you there? You dey see what they write? They say it go nice to get WhatsApp group for questions. So I think they will work on that probably in the next class, so that we know they disturb the live. Yes, that's true. Okay, so I can keep pressing that cd ... to be going back. You see, say it don't come up for that sank. It don't they users now. Shedrack Oyemoke, how can you say you are lost from the beginning? After we don't enter class of how many minutes? Over 40 minutes. That means you are just joining. Probably just follow along. Then later you go and watch the class later. You cannot be lost from the beginning. You say reason I'm now. So if I press that cd ... again, it go back. You see, but I cannot go back more than this C drive, because this C drive now is the root, which is here. This C now here it dey. So if I want to enter back to inside users and sank, we go use that same way. cd users. You see, say you don't enter that users now. Then I go say cd sank, which is my own. Your own go be the name of your system. You see, I don't enter back. So you see, say na cd where we used to take enter desktop before. Na in be this. So cd the folder name, cd the folder name. Barnabas Oluji, wallahi, this class dey sweet. Thank you, Jare. So that's why I put this one way hard small for beginning, so that we'll do with it, do away with it today and on Monday. By Wednesday like this, we don't write HTML and it go sweet well. Your own system say the system cannot find the part. If your system they say cannot find the part, that means you press the wrong thing. So I think this is why we need WhatsApp group for questions, so that you feel send screenshots. What of people wey no get laptop? You no get wetin we fit do okoli if you no get laptop. Go borrow till you go fit buy. Thank you, Marvins. Thank you, Marvins. So Shedrack, just chill for the class, or may you just go, may you wait till we upload this thing, may you watch am. Konas, you know they here, oh. Since why I don't call your name. Wahala. People for comment section no go kill me. Person say he just like to hear the term CD. Wahala. Okay, so should I move on? So make I continue. So we are just 245 in class. More than 1,000 this class. Though I know say some people did diaspora, they did different timeline. Okay, I understand, Sha. Oh, nice, Konas. It's good as you rewind. It's good as you rewind. Emmanuel Williams, sharp, sharp, sharp. Okay, make I move on, Abi. Sharp. The waiting there for command prompt no many again. So for example now, let's say I want navigate. I say goat now. Wow. Let's say I want navigate, enter inside my document. Because I just give you one secret. For where your system names dey, so this your folder. For una users fine. Where this one dey, so now there your document dey. In fact, I want face camera take explain this one. Okay, now look me. For where your system name dey, so now there your documents dey, now there your desktop dey, now there your videos dey, now there your music dey. Almost all the folders wey you dey use primarily for your system. Now inside that your name e dey. My own na sank. So now there e dey. Your own fit be users or HP or the name wey they take register your computer. Now there e dey. So follow me. So now I want enter desktop. Raphael Ayere, you can find Windows C. Click on your Windows Explorer here. If it is not there, press Windows key plus E. You go open this thing. Scroll by the side. You go see this PC. Maybe it is closed. If it say it closed, open them or click them. You go see C drive. Just open them. Now the C be this. Now the C. You see C for brackets. Okay. No open any folder we get dot oh. That one no be folder for general use. You understand? Okay, so now I want to enter my document. So I will say CD documents. Now the name of my document that no, I don't already know these things. So it go work. So you might want to cross check the name of your own to be sure. Now the next thing I want to teach, so because I want to do let me go back. Let me do it. Let me enter inside my music. CD music, I think so. Because my music no go get too much thing inside. Yes, you see, not too much. I only have TYTDD blah blah blah. Let me check it from my Explorer. Let's go to my music. Yes, this is my music. So hey, good. I don't get something much. So I want use and teach us the next thing. So what you want learn now? Let me minimize this one. What you want do now? How to where this one dey like this? Yeah. What you want do now? How to create a folder. Banamas Oluji, boss, I suggest make your moderators they handle the comment section so the class feed they run smoothly and keep you from falling back to respond. Okay, yeah. Then they handle them, but I say we need more this thing. What did they call them? More moderators. Osato dey yes oh. I'm only seeing Samsi and Comfort and Osato. I never see Osato since so. Okay, that's fine, Sha. Let's go on. So we want to learn how to create a folder from command prompt. Can drive D be accessed here? You can access it somehow, but leave that one out first. Okay, so the next one we want to create a folder. We use MKDIR. This stands for make directory. You know, so I talk say directory for Windows means folder. This code they work for both Mac and Windows. Make directory. So let me go to my command prompt. If I want to create folder inside this my music place now, I go do MKDIR. You see number one. Then I'll come write the folder name what I want to create. The name of the folder what I want to create. Let's say the folder name what I want to create now. Let me see somebody I can use. Let me see who I feel use. With the comment section, which person name before comment section I feel use. Yes, make I use Lil Prado FX. Make I just write Lil. It go long go Lil Prado. Make I use dash Lil Prado dash FX. So you see MKDIR and then the folder name. Let me press enter. Now you don't go see anything. As you don't see anything, it means say it is successful. How you take no? Make I type that DIR where we take the check folder content before. Press enter. You see the folder, see and Lil Prado FX. Lil Prado FX, you don't do my computer like this, oh. It's command case sensitive. No, it is not case sensitive. So now you see, so if you even enter the Lil Prado FX from here, now if you just say CD, you remember the way we enter folder, CD and then the folder name CD Lil Prado FX. I go there inside. You see, I'm already there inside like this. So I will take sure say this thing work. More will come here. You see that my music will open that. You see the folder here. You see I'm Lil Prado FX. If I open them, you see say it's empty. If I do dir for here, you go see say it's empty. You see I'm 0 bytes. You see it say it's empty. Yes, so you guys pay me now motivation box. Hope so now understand. Make I continue. Becky Oti Mba, if your own said access denied, that means that your folder you no get access to RAM. Try another folder. Then make a quick talk this one. For this video description, for this our live, so you feel see one place where I put link where I say buy me coffee or buy me something. You feel click the link, just dash me money for there. Me no be like say I don't talk am. In case you want buy me pure water. Oga Sabi news. You thought say it be like magic, so you don't understand like this. See, vote for Christ. He said DIR no work for Mac, but then allow make directory work. Yeah, now so the matter be. Why put that in between? I only put it to separate the words. I use somebody's name on the comment section, and now so the person name there, Lil Prado FX. So I don't want to write them together as one. As this thing joined together, I just put dash. That link thing you are lost. That means you are just coming. Oh, okay. Sabinos, you say they work like magic. Okay, I grab. Elizabeth, way you are lost too. Are you just coming or what happened? Okay. Where all these Niger Code Party people? Where my community people they? Una suppose they help them my moderators. So I go add all of them join the moderators just now. Oh, okay. Your own is not inside your folder. Oh, that's you say your desktop is not inside your user this thing. Probably you are in the wrong place. Oh. Okay, so let's move on. We can move on, and I thought say we'll move on, Abi. Okay, now we've learned how to create a folder like this. So we don't sabi create folder. So what if we want create file? What if we want create file? To create file for Windows, for Windows, so it's different from Mac. Oh no, so pay attention for Windows. I go do am inside this folder. Look. You see say the folder they empty. This Lil Prado FX they empty. To create a file, you know say file different from folder. File now like image, text file or something. So let me say I want to create a text file. I go say what you my first write the code save. My first write tank for you. To create a file, we use echo, then greater than, then the file name plus extension, whatever extension it is. So this is what I mean. Let me show you. So I'm going to say echo, then greater than, then let's say I want to create a file, a text file called IO. IO dot, the extension of a text file is txt. Extension means say the kind file where it be. You understand the kind file where it be. For example, if na image, if it be .png or JPEG or GIF, this one na text file, just like your notepad text file. So if I press enter now, you see say no bring anything, but it means say e don create am. If I go that folder, na see the file inside abi. Na see say na text file. If I double click am now, e go open as text file. You see am? Very good. Now if you are on Mac, see Mac people here. If you are on Mac, your own will be touch. Mac na touch. Make a write am for comment section for this thing. For Mac na touch. For Mac, just write touch, then the file name dot extension. You get. Creating folder and make mkdir. Mkdir. Now we don't talk that one pass. So also we get them up to this point to create a file. So let's see if I want to delete the file. Let me try. I don't know whether I go work. It don't take .txt. Let me try. Okay, I think it worked. Might see the folder. Okay, work. So to delete, we use del, then the file name, just like as we take create am. Just press enter, I go delete. Because if you look my folder now, that .txt don't delete. You see am? So to delete file, na file we dey talk of file, del. Now what of to delete? Wait, SMONU. You say I should repeat it. Okay, I should repeat to create that. What is that they call it? To create a file. To create a file, you use echo. Then greater than. Look at the greater than. Then you put the file name. My file name that I use is ayo.txt. This one is a text file. You understand? I press enter. It don't create them. I go take note say this thing don't create them. First, I can type dir here. It go show me say true it dey inside. Or I can go to my Windows Explorer because I did the place already. See it dey there. If I want to delete it, I will use del ayo.txt. Press enter. It go delete. If I press dir to check, you see it no dey there again. 0 bytes. If I open folder, you see it no dey. It's very, very simple. I think it's actually very simple. If you never subscribe to my channel, I bet just dey subscribe as we dey talk. So just dey subscribe now. I use God to beg you. Your message, you say you are enjoying this class. How you not going to enjoy it? Shebi na your name I dey use now. Okay, make I show now my notepad. Okay, this is the note. Make I minimize this one first. Now the note be this. I say for Mac people, na touch. Let me write delete here. Delete for the delete. Delete file name dot extension. File name dot extension. I bet me not subscribe to the YouTube this thing though. And for una when they come back to come watch the videos, me not they just try comment sometimes and then me not they click, me not just still they like them. I think you can like a live stream too, Abi. Me not they like them, I beg. May YouTube know say something they happen. At least that's the least you can do for us now. To see further comment, content is dir. Mr. Rotimi, thank you, sir. God bless you too, sir. I didn't do Azubwe. We don't see the message. Don't know the spammers. We don't see them. I bet me now they like the live now. The delete, I'm not sure say they sent to recycle bin, no. Make I check. I'm not sure at all. I'm not sure. Now permanent delete, oh. You know they sent to recycle bin, oh. Can I move on? Say na DDoS attack they give you for you. They play. No sit down with me, you learn. They talk say they na see DDoS attack you they give for you. Okay, so can I move on? See delete command, they look you now. This is the delete command. Look at it. Henry, you say you are lost from creating folder. If I say you rewind the video. Okay, so let's move on. The last one I want to do for the night. Osato, I think you can start passing the attendant. Maybe they sign attendant. The last one for the night before I... Okay, let me say second to the last one. Is how to delete a folder. Is how to delete a folder. So to delete, not be file now, to delete folder. Let me put it under here, under this folder on. To delete folder, we use RMDIR, which stands for remove directory. You get? You have to make sure that the folder is empty before you can do this. So let me go back, cd dot dot, so that I can delete this Lil Prado. Let me, in fact, make I enter back. May I see whether it's empty to be sure? Okay, it is empty. Let me go back. So I can do RMDIR space the folder name Lil Prado FX. Make I press enter. You see, say as I see as I do nothing come and me say it don't work. I will tell you if I press DIR now, press enter. If you see Lil Prado no dey there again, it don't come out. So no forget, yes, thank you, Samson. Delete is used for file, to delete file, while remove directory, RMDIR, is used to delete folder. So don't forget, let me put it on the screen again. RMDIR, see remove folder. Remove RMDIR. You put it and the file name. The folder name. So now so that they use them. So me not try them. It work. I bet me not like the live now, yeah. Then if you can share, you should share it so that other people too can benefit. Over 1,000 people registered for this class. I don't know why they say not 2 something they attend. I don't know. Now, so maybe some people don't like free thing. If they pay now, therefore don't rush. Now, therefore disturb me. Say how far when we want to start class. Me now don't forget say I talk say I get link to buy me coffee. Oh. Me now no let me put the link for screen. Oh. So by Monday, the HTML book will be out, and now we go use as manual for the HTML. So just prepare. It's just $5, and anywhere you are in the world, you can pay. Once I share the link, you will see that you can pay anywhere you are in the world. For Nigeria, say if you even do transfer, enter the link. No fear. Who be this guy? Boss, you fit teach the deaf, make himself understand. Now what for you? I want to hear what you talk. Now no kill me for this class. Osato Alpha, you don't pass the attendance. Make they sign before I continue. Now just one last thing I want to talk about. I don't finish with command prompt. I just want to explain one concept quick. $5, yes, very cheap, right? Man no talk say cheap show. Now the company don't subsidize. They decide to do all the work by themselves. So now like say they subsidize the thing for now. Just like Temux on now. Yeah, Temux now the terminal for Android now. Now no say Android na Linux. Okay. More no waste time. Osato Alpha, you don't share link to sign attendance. Okay, so the last thing I want to talk about this night, because no be like on Monday, I know wait me na the sign attendance finish. Oh, if they place the link, me na begin to the sign and sharp. Because once I finish, I go just log off. This is already 6 minutes after 10. Okay, so the last thing I want to talk about is called system part. System part. We dey use am since. Sarimakin Akintomide, you say no cheap? Wahala. Thank you, the blessed hands. Thank you so much. You are encouraging me. Thank you. Oh, thank you, Samson. I like this your illustration. Folder is like music album or a box, and the file the individual tracks. It's sharp. I don't think that one. My moderator don't drop line. Okay, so we want to talk about system parts. What it be system part? Pay attention here. Man on the camera, make I talk this one. It is very important. Okay, so now they see me, Abi. So what it be system part? System part now the address or location of where something where you need dey. System part now the address of or a location on your system. Just as you get address number 5, this one Ademoyu Street off Badagry and blah 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 for your house. Everything inside computer get their address. That address so now they call system part. The address dey in form of wetin we don see for command prompt. /this/this/this/this. I just forget. I suppose explain that from beginning, so I say make I explain now. So let me show you on the screen. Okay, so this one now, for example, is a system part. It's a system part to music folder. If I copy this thing, write am for you for paper, maybe I no want make non-computer people understand. Say I wan give you something, make you go check something for my system. All I will just do is give you this. So it means say go inside my C C drive, enter users folder, enter sync, enter music. You will see what I'm looking for. So now just wait the system part be that. You can see it primarily here more. Like for here, when you they open your folders and things, if you just click this up here, see the address, system part, they see now the location of where things they of that thing where you define. So that when you they read book or you hear they say go to the part, so just know say that they tell you say go to where this folder or this file they. And what do it mean? It means say all this slash they link to other folder. All these ones now the folder name. So this one I go say go inside C drive. Inside that C drive you will see users. Oh, enter that users. Inside that users you will see sync. Inside that sync you will see music. Simple. Hope say you now understand. Thank you, no code minds. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I like the summary way you do. Osato, they say your form no they accept response again, no. To delete a mark, I don't think that one no. Check that delete supposed to work now. I be no work. If it no work, I not sure say I know. I go need to help na check am or you check Google. So don't be discouraged. We just do one more of this class by Monday. You know the class is Monday and Wednesday 9 p.m. For others we no tell them now. May they still feel join. Hey Salahu Abdul Malik. Okay, you miss this class. No worry in our video day. No feel too sad. You go watch am. Hey, just be say if you get question now at all. Like you know you want to do. Steve O say ROM is for Mark. Okay, so I think that's okay. Osato said the form is working now. May not check. Okay, so that's it. Hope you now understand the concept of that system part where I explain. Then another thing, let me quickly show you. In case you no understand, let me show you this. Go to this YouTube channel where you did, so just the watch. Oh, let me show you something. Let's go to the account. If you come, I think playlist, right? That's in case you even watch this live stream so and you no understand. There is a command prompt video I recorded in 2022. If I am not mistaken, I think 2022. I think under playlist, I think it's under here. Let me check. Yes, okay. Now here. After introduction to web development,
Amospikins. So web development now the first series release for that. Those videos also want the release for web development, which also means they want to learn how to create website.
So if you watch them, I think that part 1 and part 2.
Now me again, Amospikins. I don't show so again for that tutorial. We'll talk about. So first things first. If you did for Windows, your start menu go still inside that same folder. If I click my name, your own fee be HP or whatever name where you take register your system. My own I use my name. My name is Sonny, so I use that. You can see the spelling alongside with it. So if I click the folder, I then inside that sync folder now.
Then the
now take.
In fact, I think this one said this part 1 and part 2. I explain Mark. Oh,
yeah, now me again, Amospikins.
You still watch them in case.
And the
you see them if you see the screen. You
okay,
say,
so
I put the list Mark.
This one me say we did
out.
Directory. Or I tell you now say the last I say directory also so means folder. Video, so since we want change folder like this, so you need to tell them the folder where they go. Now remember, and so the folder where they go must be.
Okay, so I will give you 5 minutes to sign your attendance. So after that I will be off. So by 10:20 I will stop this live. This is 10:13. By 10:20